Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to do stylish coasters, and by stylish I mean it's gonna be basically only three colors: white, black and some gold. As you can see, I have four ceramic tiles. The ceramic tiles were painted before, but I didn't like the design, so I removed the top of the paint here, but I still have some leftovers. I don't really care about the back of the coasters because after I do the design and it dries, I will then paint this in black, and then we'll add a cork at the back so the coaster will not scratch any surface. So I don't care about this side. All I care about this smooth uh, coverage right now. So as I said, we have white, black, and also I have metallic gold colors. The way we're going to mix it today is we're going to take one part of the glue and one part of the paint. Why are we adding glue? So I'm using usually a school glue, but I only have leftovers here, so I'll probably mix with other school glue. So why are we adding glue? Because the paint is really thick consistency and I need this to spread evenly, and it should be a bit runny. I need to add some medium. And because I don't want to add water, because it will water down the paint, when I will be putting two colors together, because of the water, they will start mixing with each other while they're drying. I don't want this. So as a result, we are going to be using glue, but we will add a couple drops of the water, but just a bit. Okay, so the background is gonna be black, so I will use a big cup for the black color. As I said, one part paint, one part glue. So I'm going to be adding just a bit of the water. So what I'm planning to do is to actually do one part of the coaster is with the black and white design. The other part of the coaster will have just nice lines of white and gold paint, but here we'll try to do something as a design. Let's see how it goes. Honestly, it looks already pretty, so we can stop, but we will not. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm gonna take a toothpick. You can use the toothpick, but I have this sharp tool, let's call it this way, and I'm gonna try to do a random pattern. So let's see how this is gonna go.